In the second substep of Step 6, we can move from broad disciplinary perspectives to more specific disciplinary insights. We should have identified these insights in Step 4 and evaluated their relevance in Step 5. This week, we are going to evaluate their strengths and weaknesses using one or more of several strategies. We can examine the insights themselves, those drawn from disciplinary perspectives. We can also evaluate theories that have been used to study a problem, as well as the methods used, the data produced, and the phenomena of interest. Ideally, we use all 5 strategies for the most comprehensive understanding. If, for some reason, we think we don't have enough information or we haven't yet identified relevant insights or theories, we should return to steps 4 and 5. Without this information, we have nothing to analyze in step 6, and we have nothing to integrate in steps 7 and 8. In the rest of this lecture, we will consider each one of the 5 strategies. Note that evaluating the information from multiple disciplines is not interdisciplinary in nature. It actually represents multidisciplinarity. We can only achieve full interdisciplinarity by continuing the IRP and integrating the most important insights. It is this integration that produces comprehensive understanding that meets the goals of interdisciplinary study.